JIT and lean systems. Learning objectives. Explain the core beliefs of the just-in-time JIT philosophy. Describe the meaning of waste in JIT. Explain the differences between push and pull production systems. Explain the key elements of JIT manufacturing. Explain the elements of total quality management, TQM, and their role in JIT. Describe the role of people in JIT and why respect for people is so important. Understand the impact of JIT on service and manufacturing organizations. Understand the impact of JIT on all functional areas of the company. The philosophy of JIT. Just-in-time, JIT philosophy greater than getting the right quantity of goods at the right place at the right time. Waste greater than anything that does not add value. A broad view of JIT greater than a philosophy. This is the entire organization. Defining beliefs of JIT greater than broad view of operations, simplicity, continuous improvement, visibility, and flexibility. The philosophy of JIT. Types of waste greater than material, energy, time, and space. Broad view of the organization greater than tasks and procedures are important only if they meet the company's overall goals. Simplicity greater than the simpler a solution, the better it is. Continuous improvement, Kaizen, greater than a philosophy of never-ending improvement. Visibility greater than problems must be visible to be identified and solved. Flexibility greater than a company can quickly adapt to the changing needs of its customers. Elements of JIT. JIT system greater than the three elements are just-in-time manufacturing, total quality management, and respect for people. Just-in-time manufacturing greater than the element of JIT that focuses on the production system to achieve value-added manufacturing. Setup cost greater than cost incurred when setting up equipment for a production run. The three elements of JIT. Total quality management, TQM. Just-in-time manufacturing greater than the element of JIT that focuses on the production system to achieve value-added manufacturing. Total quality management, TQM, greater than an integrated effort designed to improve quality performance at every level of the organization. Respect for people greater than an element of JIT that considers human resources as an essential part of the JIT philosophy. Just-in-time manufacturing. Pull system greater than JIT is based on a pull system rather than a push system. Kanban card greater than a card that specifies the exact quantity of product that needs to be produced. Production card greater than a Kanban card that authorizes production of material. Withdrawal card a Kanban card that authorizes withdrawal of material. The pull system with two Kanban cards. Strategy for quality improvement. Role of production employees in JIT. Role of management in JIT. Key elements of JIT supplier relationships. Benefits of JIT. A sequence of steps that should be followed in the implementation process. Make quality improvements greater than usually it is best to start implementation process by improving quality. The reason is that quality is pervasive and all the JIT objectives are dependent on quality improvement. Reorganize workplace greater. Reorganizing the workplace is the next step. This means proper facility layouts, cleaning and organizing the work environment, designating storage spaces for everything, and removing clutter. Reduce setup times greater than. The next step is to focus on reducing setup times, which will involve manufacturing and industrial engineering. It will require analysis of current setup procedures, elimination of unneeded steps, streamlining of motions. Workers will need to be trained in the proper setup procedures. Reduce lot sizes and lead times. Then once setup times have been reduced, the focus is on reducing lot sizes and lead times. This in turn will reduce the inventory between workstations and free up space. The empty space will contribute to visibility. Implement layout changes greater than. The next step is to arrange equipment and workstations in close proximity to one another and to form work cells. Switch to pull production greater than. After the preceding changes have been implemented, it is time to switch to pull production. Changing from a push system to a pull system, including worker training, needs to be planned very carefully. Develop relationship with suppliers greater than. Changes in relationships with suppliers should be among the last steps implemented. Demands for smaller and more frequent deliveries should be instituted gradually.